Oh, just wait until you try this easy chimichurri sauce. Here are the ingredients you'll need. Only 7? Yep, 7 things to create this kinda deliciousness. Into a food processor, we're adding 1 cup fresh parsley leaves, 2 tablespoons fresh oregano leaves, 4 garlic cloves sliced, 1 bird's eye chili pepper seeded and finely chopped, 2 tablespoons red wine vinegar, and 1 teaspoon kosher salt. Place the lid on and run the machine on a low setting while slowly drizzling in half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. The sauce comes together in under 5 minutes. Now you can transfer it to a serving dish and then take heaping spoonfuls to enjoy with your favorite meat and poultry main courses like grilled beef tenderloin. Easy chimichurri sauce is the best. Full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. Enjoy.